Okay, guys, we out here working on 2012 Chrysler 200 starter. But in order to get the starter out, this is where you're gonna start from. See this right here? This is the engine mount bracket. You gotta take this long motherfucker out first before you think about getting the starter out. Then get the engine mount out before getting closer to the starter. I don't know how they designed this car, but it's kind of complicated. So this is the beginning of the starter out. Before you get started out, you gotta deal with those two guys first. And then after that, let me show you where we at. As you can see, the starter sit right there, right by the catalytic converter. So that's where it goes. You gotta take that long metal piece out from over there here. Already got the starter out, and this is the old starter. And that's the new starter right here. So about to install it. But in order to do that, this is where you're gonna start from. And then the starter. So you need to have the right tools to do the right job, or else you're gonna spend all day doing it.